Hey guys, it's Erin. Today I'm continuing my Disney-inspired nail art series with these nails inspired by the original Mulan. I know there's a redo coming out this year, but I wanted these to be inspired by the one from 1998. So I'm starting off with a base coat on all of my nails. The first nail I'm doing is inspired by Cricky the Cricket, so I'm starting off with a navy blue base. Then I'm painting a medium purple half moon shape at the top of my nail. Once that's done, I'm taking black acrylic paint and mirroring that half moon shape with two stripes along my nail. Then finishing the nail with a top coat. My next nail is inspired by Shang, so I'm starting off with an army green base to match his armor. Then I'm painting a curved line around the middle of my nail with black acrylic paint and filling in the top of that. Now I'm taking a red nail polish and painting two curved shapes, kind of like semicircles, one on each side of my nail. This is for his red cape. And adding a dot in the center, and then painting two slightly rounded rectangular shapes to be the ties of his cape. Now I'm going in with a yellow nail polish and adding some details on each side. These are just some yellow markings that can be seen on the edges of his uniform. And I'm going to be outlining the dot of his cape with black acrylic paint again, just to make it defined. Finish with the top coat, and there is this Shang nail done. The next nail is of course inspired by Mulan, so I'm starting off with a medium pink base. This is going to be inspired by her pink outfit. Then I'm taking a plummy purple nail polish and painting a Y shape across my nail. Now I'm taking a navy blue nail polish and painting a thick line at the end of my nail. And once that's dry, doing the same with a red. The last thing I'm going to do is fill in the center of the Y shape with a light blue polish, just to get all of the color blocking of her outfit. And finishing with the top coat. My next nail is going to be inspired by Mushu, so I'm starting off with a bright red base. Then I'm taking a yellow nail polish and painting an oval shape across my nail. And I'm going back in with a golden yellow color that's a little bit darker and just adding some curved lines to be the stripes along his stomach. Finish with the top coat, and there you have Mushu. My last nail is going to be inspired by the blossom tree near Mulan's family home, so I'm starting off with a light blue base. Then I'm taking a brown nail polish and a thin brush and just painting some branches for the tree. Next I'm going to be taking a dotting tool and putting 5 pink dots in a little circle for each flower, and then just adding some random pink dots here and there to fill in the space. And on the flowers where I put all 5 dots, I'm adding a white dot to the center just to be the center of the flower. And finally applying a top coat. And there you have your super simple Mulan inspired nails. I really try to keep these tutorials easy for you guys and use basic color blocking and shapes so they still look like the characters, but they're really easy for anyone to do. I hope you like them. If you want to read more or see more pictures, you can click here to check it out on my blog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.